So here we go. We're gonna make some of my roasted chicken. Right here I have some chicken leg quarters. There's 4 of them. They're super big. I also have some truffle, Parmesan, and garlic seasoning. I'm gonna put this on at the end. Italian herb seasoning. I got this from, I believe it was Costco. Garlic powder, onion powder, Uncle Chris steak seasoning, lemon pepper, black peppercorn just a little, and some blackened seasoning, and some olive oil. So we're gonna cook this. I think I'm gonna have it with a side of broccoli and rice, just a little something kind of light, delicious. So let's get started. First thing we want to do is dry the chicken off so that the seasoning will stick. We want to get the chicken dry, then we're going to put some oil and seasonings on there. So first we're going to start off with drying the chicken off with paper towels. Now that the chicken is dry on both sides, what I'm going to do is put some olive oil. I have extra virgin. So I'm going to put olive oil over the chicken, and then we're going to generously season the chicken on both sides. This is how it looks with all the seasonings on there. It is swimming in seasonings. I have it on one side. What I'm going to do is flip it over and add the seasoning to the other side. Do the same thing on the other side. That's everything except the truffle, Parmesan, and black garlic seasoning. That's going to be saved until last. Once everything is done. Once the chicken has cooked, we'll add that at the end. I'm going to heat up about half a cup of the olive oil in a large skillet. I have a really large skillet, as you can see. So we're going to heat that up, and then we're going to place the chicken in here to cook on both sides. So now that I have the oil hot enough and I feel like running, I'm going to add the chicken in here, each piece, and cook it for 4 minutes on each side. Cooking it inside up first. On both sides, what you want to do is put it in a baking pot and cook it for 40 to 45 minutes in the oven. This part right, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. That's just the seasoning. That's the Cajun seasoning I use. Don't worry about that. It's gonna be good. So we got the chicken on a baking pot. I put the oil that I put the chicken with in the baking pot. So we're gonna go ahead and cook this for 35 to 45 minutes. Most of the time I cook it for 45 minutes, especially with pieces this big. So we're gonna see, we're gonna check it out. It's already looking good and smelling good. Here's the chicken. So here is the chicken, the done product, finished product. It's very tender. The skin is a little crunchy, like I like it. I'm looking forward to us trying this. We're gonna have this with some tostones and rice. I wanna make some broccoli as well, but it's getting a little late, so I'm ready to dig in and check it out, see what we're working with. Look at that. Look. Oh, yes. Delicious. Here's our roasted chicken. Let's see. The meat comes up. Here we are with our roasted chicken. Came out very delicious. You can see I've already tried a couple of pieces, but we're gonna let it make it to the plate. Super delicious with a ton of flavor, very tender. If you try it, please let me know. If you don't want it to come out to this color, the darkness that I have, that's because of the garlic powder and the seasonings that I put on there, and I seared it in the pan, as you recall, for 4 minutes. Try searing it for 2 or 3 minutes on each side to get it just a little lighter if you like, but we like it with some color over here. So if you want it to have less, to be seared a little less, just do it that way, just a couple of minutes less, and it'll be a little lighter for you if that's what you prefer. But if you try it, let me know what you think. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.